TDMA's approach to marketing differs from just about every other traditional agency in the marketing industry. First of all, we don't use any advertising spend, which means that all that goes straight back into your bottom line and profit, drastically boosting ROI. Number two, we don't actually go direct to the end client. So we're not looking to generate a lead, put them through a process, get to that client, get a single transaction, and maybe continuity if there's multiple purchases from a single client and a referral. We're looking at relationships that are going to lead to multiple clients, multiple transactions every single year. So from one opportunity, we're looking at six-figure potential, seven-figure potential, and sometimes way beyond that. So the goal is to create strategic partnerships, joint ventures, or partnerships with other businesses, other providers, other influencers, basically groups that already have access to the clients, projects, or jobs that are the most desirable, the most profitable for your business, and creating relationships with them so they're a revenue stream constantly feeding the work and clients your way. And we do this all through relationship building, not through the traditional advertising route, which makes it a lot more profitable and a lot more cost effective for businesses to do. The other side to that is the brand side. So in order to do this successfully, you want to have a brand that stands out and makes you appealing for these people that you're building relationships with. So this is where premium content comes in, speaking to the problems and desires of the relationships that you're trying to build, not necessarily the end client, because we're targeting a different opportunity here, and speaking to that. So they go, oh, this partnership or this joint venture or this referral can solve our problems and help us create better client experiences or help us deliver more work or more projects and so on. So that's how TDMA's marketing strategy is different to most traditional marketing. We're looking at relationships and the continuity of revenue streams versus getting to that end client and the expensive process of advertising and everything and your time invested, the sales process in between to get to that result. So that sounds appealing and it's something you want to learn more about or explore. Let's jump on a Zoom and we'll run through a few scenarios where we would create these relationships for your business and give that plan to you. And you've got two options with that. You can take that, test drive it yourself. We don't charge anything for that. But if you wanted support or us to go out and act on your behalf to build these relationships, that's so we could have the conversation about how our services work, as long as we're not working with one of your competitors, in which case we won't be able to help you, unfortunately. So that's an opportunity that you're interested in. Comment or send us a message, or if there's a link, booking, because we'd love to have a chat and see if we can create several lucrative new revenue streams for your business. One or two relationships can completely transform your business for life if there's continuity in those relationships. So thanks for watching, and let us know if we can support and contribute to the growth of your business over the next 12 months.